About scale validation. First of all, I will let you know that we have some words that can be used to represent the questionnaire, and these words are universal and could not be confused. There are some words like scale, instrument, test, measure, method, inventory, index. All these words can be interchangeably used for questionnaire. So once you have read that all these words can be used to represent the questionnaire, now I will go for the next step. So why do you need the questionnaire, or why do you need the instrument, or why do you need the scale? If you are a quantitative researcher, this is very important question for you. And if you are a quantitative researcher, you will get the data through research instrument. You will collect the data through research instrument. This is very important. And the instrument should be validated, not through face validity, not through content validity, but the instrument should be validated through construct validity, and construct validity can be conducted in the SPSS software through two processes. One is EFA Exploratory Factor Analysis, and the second is CFA Confirmatory Factor Analysis. In Exploratory Factor Analysis, first of all, you go to the literature review and you explore the factors, and you explore how many items should represent each factor. And then after exploratory factor analysis, when you decide the number of factors and the number of items, you go for the confirmatory factor analysis. And in confirmatory factor analysis, you confirm that how many factors you have to retain, and on each factor how many items should be loaded. In fact, when you run the factor analysis like EFA and CFA, after EFA and CFA, your scale validity is robust, your scale validity is strong, your scale validity is like up to the mark, and now you can report the scale validity in your thesis. Some people, some researchers do the content validity by taking the expert reviews. I don't want to say about word for those, because content validity sometimes don't show the robust type of validity. Thank you so much.